Yeah, welcome to the video lectures of Java programming. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk with you about variables and operators of Java. So this is the outline of my video. First, I'll start with the lecture outcome. Then I'll talk about variables of Java, then operators. Then we'll see some reflection spots. Then we'll see some LLPs, then further content. So after completion of this particular topic, this particular video, you are supposed able to declare and use variables. And you can also have comparison between C++ and Java operators. So first of all, a variable is a memory location that stores a value. The value may be changed at any time. The value may be numbers, text, images, sounds, or any type of data. To store a value, we have to declare a variable. So after declaration only, we have to use that particular memory block. So the syntax of to declare a variable is data type variable name equals to value. Already in the previous video, we talked about data types and what are the different types of data types Java supported, we discussed. So few examples I gave, see here. So message is the variable name, string is the predefined data type in Java. So generally in C++, we have char data type, C and C++. But whereas you come to the Java, in order to store group of characters, we have a predefined class in Java that is string. So as this is the predefined class, we have to give the first letter as capital. And next, this is X is a variable name. It is of integer type. And first name is the variable name. It is of string type. And next, we can also declare multiple variables of same type like this. By using this comma operator, we can declare. So see here, hour and minute are two different variables of int type. So directly we can declare like this. And these are the different types of data types. Already we know. So boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, double. So these are the default values for these data types. And this is the default size. When you declare a variable by using any one of these data type, this much size is going to be allocated for you. And we have three different types of variables in Java. So generally in C and C++, we know about only local and global variables. But coming to the Java, we'll have three types of variables, that is local variables, instance variables, and static variables. Local variables are the variables we are going to be declared within the within the method. So it is going to be execute only within that main. And instance variables are the class variables. We are going to discuss, we are going to declare these variables within the class, but not in the main. And static variables are the variables which we are going to be allocate memory only for one time, allocate memory only for the one time. And this static variables are going to use static keyword. So I'll write one example so that you can understand. So generally for every Java program, we have to take a class. So within this class, we have to write main method. Okay. So for example, public static void main method. So within this method, we have to write. So if I declare a variable here, okay, so then this particular variable will call it as local variable. Then this particular variable will call it as local variable. So this variable is only belongs to this particular method. And you can't access this variable outside this method. Okay. And if I declare one variable insta here, and this variable will call it as instance variable. This variable will call it as instance variable. So this variable can access only within this class. Okay. And one more variable, for example, I'll take this stat one variable. If I use this particular variable as static keyword, then this particular variable will become a static variable. Okay, so static variable and instance variable, both are class variables. We are going to declare within the class. We are not going to declare those variables within this method. The main difference between this is, so this static variable will allocate memory only for one time. Okay, so these are the different variables available in Java. The next one is These are the different operators. Next, we'll talk about operators in Java. So operator is a symbol which is going to perform some operation between two operands. So we'll have almost 7 types of operators in Java. First one, the types of operator is first one unary operators, that is post increment and post decrement, pre increment and pre decrement, same like postfix and prefix. Okay, so it is going to be increment by 1, it is going to decrement by 1. And next, arithmetic operators, all arithmetic operators, it is going to be support. And shift operators, right shift, left shift, all the operators, it is going to be support. And relational operators, equals to, less than, equals to, not equals to, double equals to. And instance of is one of the operator we are not going to see in C and C++, but coming to in Java, we have this different operator we are going to be see here. When I'm discussing objects concept, I'm going to explain what is the use of this instance of operator. And after that, it is also going to support bitwise operators, bitwise and bitwise or, and bitwise. The next logical operators, the next ternary pair. So this question mark and colon, will call it as ternary pair. Okay, so based upon some condition, if you want to execute the statement, you have to use this ternary pair. And next one is assignment operator. Assignment operator is also going to be support Java. So these are the different operators we are going to be used in Java while developing the applications. And we'll see some reflection spot. So check whether the given statements is true or not. Already you are familiar to this. Yes, only second one is the invalid, second and first one. Right. So this is the LLP. So check whether the following variable declaration are legal or not. So first one, data type and variable name, okay. String is data type and yes is okay. Only the second one is invalid. Why? Because 23 is not a variable, it is a constant. The variable name in Java should start with character. It should not start with digit. Okay. Then further, you just read the chapter 1 of the complete reference. And I'm going to be post tutorial schedules. Thank you.